is a very interesting product range that we have. So for the sensor type, position, as I mentioned just now. Okay, for the position sensor, we have the linear potentiometer sensor. I believe that you all should be using in your plant as well. We have a wide range of potential sensor, the position sensor. We also have the rotative potentiometer, like the encoder side, for up. You have to check. And we also have the magnetostrictive position sensor as well. So with this, we actually have a wide range of selection for different application and with different control as well. This is our melt transducer that is normally used in the plastic industry to measure the pressure and the temperature. And this is our pressure sensor. We have it for up to different protection. Up to CO2. We also have it for hazardous area. And this is the range of the PLC that we have. As I mentioned, we have the industrial PC, we have the PLC, we have the remote I/O, several range of products from there. But I don't think I will want to move into details of the PLC, so I will touch more on the controller side. For the controller, we have the basic model, just to maybe like 1, 3 or 4 digit display with analog input or with voltage input. And we also have those the programmable type as well. We have this new range of temperature controller. And this new range of temperature controller works like a mini PLC as well. And one good thing about this temperature controller is that it's big and everything is programmable. And one best thing is that you can actually program the language that you want. Means like whether the conventional temperature controller is always start or stop, it's all fixed language.
On the small display have the Vietnamese language or no?
At the moment it's only English, Italian, or any alphanumeric.
Maybe will have.
Yeah, actually you can put Vietnamese language because it's still alphanumeric, right? Then you can write in Vietnamese language, no problem. Because as long as it's alphabet, you can put. Yeah, so you can.
In Vietnam, some people English not well, so the worker they want to.
For programming, engineer can do, but for operation, worker or operator just start and come. So you need to understand.
Then you can put in the start in Vietnamese and stop in Vietnamese, or
possible.
Yes, because Vietnamese is alphanumeric, right? ABC, right? Yeah. As long as alphanumeric, you can put in anything. You can store up to 3 languages. And this unit here, they can have 3 password setting, 3 level of password setting for the programmer, for the engineer, and for the operator. Yeah. And one of the unique thing that most of my customers they really like, because it's very simple to program. It only takes 7 steps, 4 buttons and 7 steps to program one controller. And another thing is that if you want to use your computer to program, they are actually using the same software as our drive, GEFRAN. So with GEFRAN, you can actually program the controller without powering up. So normally, other temperature controller, you need to put in a power, then you do programming, right? For ours, you do not need to. You can just plug in a cable, controller to our laptop, and they will take the power from our laptop. So you do not need
external power.
Don't need internal power. Yes. So another thing is that we can actually use a controller. We have this called a zapper. Zapper is our controller. It's slightly bigger, just like my phone, the size of this phone, and it can store up to 4 recipes inside. So you can put this small cable program to this zapper, and this zapper you can actually bring to your plant to program, copy and paste the program into the controller, just like this. You see, program to zapper, zapper to controller, zapper to controller. Using the same cable, you put the controller to the zapper, copy and paste, and you can go. So I can say it's error free. there's no way you can make mistake by copy and paste, unless you copy the wrong recipe lah. Then there's like nothing I can say. But in terms of programming, the controller is error-free because you just need to copy, paste. So this is something a lot of my customers like because it saves a lot of time for you to do programming. Yeah. And this guy also comes with a maintenance and energy counter. Normally for your machine, if you need to count the energy, normally you need to get a separate controller with the CT, correct? But this comes with a function inside the controller as an optional function. So if you want it to have the energy counter function, you just add in that option. Yeah, it also comes with the logic control programming as well. The logic block program, it comes with a 12-step logic program. So it works like a mini PLC as well. Right, but all this comes as an option. You can choose to have it or not to have it. So for this temperature controller itself, it can go up to 5 outputs.
Maximum.
Maximum. Yeah, correct. Is it enough? Should be more than enough, right? Normally, how many outputs do you all use on your side?
Many.
Many.
Yeah, we have an expansion card.
Expansion card
Yes.
for temperature controller?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
One more.
But this is just for...
Oh, furnace.
Huh?
It's still using for furnace.
Furnace.
Roasting furnace. Yes.
Furnace, normally for furnace, we do have another solution for furnaces. This is just for the normal, like I can say like the thermocouple, the temperature sensor with one control. But we do have another solution that are meant for furnaces that comes with a few bus protocol as well for communication to your PLC, and that is to control high temperature heaters. What is the temperature of the heaters that you are?
1040.
1040
1200.
1400 maximum.
degrees Celsius.
Yes.
Yeah. So normally with that, we use another range of products to control that furnace. Yeah, later I can share with you more on that. Yeah. Okay, so back to our controllers. Belongs to the value models. We also have the programmable series. Means that you can take in pressure, input, force to control and as a display as well. We also have the multifunction, our 2500 series itself. We can go up to 4 inputs for display and control. So normally that 2500 always comes together with our pressure sensor and our milk transducer. So over the years, later in the